Start your engines, gearheads. Priscilla and I attended Street Rod Nationals in Louisville on August of 2017, and if you love classic cars, muscle cars, and vintage street rods, you won't want to miss this. Buckle up, because we're taking you inside one of the world's largest automotive participation events. Now let's shift gears and take you behind the scenes where the real magic happens. We had the chance to chat with some passionate car owners who pour their heart and soul into every detail. Just a small look at the event. These are just a few of the countless stories you'll find at the Street Rod Nationals. Each car has a tale, and each owner has a passion that drives them to perfection. So next time you see a gleaming street rod, remember the dedication and love that brought it to life. Stay tuned for the video of the cars coming into the entrance. You won't want to miss it.